Okay, I already got the see before and after full one. I'm gonna put the new rim or whatever you call it. Right now I'm heading to the shop and see and put the tire on it, and look what it looks like. I'm gonna put the rail through and see how. Yep. Okay, we already put it on. The shop, they already trying to close at 6, so but it's now 6:30, so we gotta leave. Right now I change like the rail too, and then when I go home I might have to wash it again and show you guys what you guys think. Right now I'm driving it, my old one still in the package. Yeah, right now it's not bad. I saw that some on YouTube that they try to do balancing, it doesn't work out. I go left and right, but mine is good. But yeah, I'll leave some review and see and what we can do, and when I'm gonna change the others too. Yeah, right now it's only the two rear, so that's about it. I'll show you.
1 hour later.
Okay, here is the new one. So, and dirty, but put it on. Kusa tepen kan di kulo baca sport bike kawa sakit ada kan.
Few moments later.
Ah. Bên của cả biếm bên ruột tay với chờ truck khẩn định tiềnที่ Audi แล้วนี่เดี๋ยวก็จะมาสองของกระจกจังเป็นจังเหรอตัวโลกิ้งตัวซ่าÔng lấy để bằng Ohio bếp pan bay gì? Ông lấy để Ohio bếp pan bay như này. À. Mấy càng thế vậy? Ba. Anong ma? Bạn ba mà. Ủa, xin cái chả bằng mày vẫn vâng. Thế cả mô tô thông cái đàn cái mô bộ thang máy cũng mà lại không chân lại ngay bạn em. Cả mô tô thông máy cũng mà lại không chân lại. Phải chứ mà con bill để không cái mà biết gì về luôn mà. Cái bill là nào sạc rồi. Cái bao nhiêu? Mà đây là cái dòng tỉnh em không nói chuyện gì ra. Bắn phật 0-0. If you guys wanna see, okay, I got one. My hands are dirty, but yeah, not bad.
One eternity later.